Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually increase the maximum volume on your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can increase the maximum volume on your iPhone. Let's say that you're watching some videos, you set it to the maximum level, but then you realize that the volume is actually just too low. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you a simple way on how you could very easily increase the volume of your iPhone. So first things first, what you want to do is you don't have to download any of the third-party apps for this. We can do this from our settings itself. So I will go ahead and then open up the settings app on my iPhone. Once you open up the settings app, you can see the interface kind of looks like this. What you have to do is you have to scroll down and look through these options and find the text or the app which says music. So go ahead and look for the app called music right over here. As soon as you tap on the option called music, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. At the very bottom under the audio section, you'll find the second option which is EQ, which basically means equalizer, and you can also see that currently it is set to late night. So what we will do is we will tap on EQ, and if yours is set to off, you'll also be able to see a bunch of various options such as acoustic, classical, dance, deep, and so on. On the list of all these options, you have to go ahead and look for the option which is late night. Now keep in mind that you might have actually tried all of these effects. When you actually set it to late night, your iPhone is actually going to use this effect whenever you hear an audio from YouTube or from Apple Music or from any other apps which you're actually listening to music from, and then this effect is actually going to synchronize and increase the maximum volume of your iPhone. And this was a simple way on how you could very easily increase the max volume on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.